Hello, welcome to my new channel, Texelated, Isolated with Tech. This is a tech channel. We're going to be covering everything tech pretty much. Today, we're going to unbox the Chromecast with Google TV. It's a streaming media device replacing the Chromecast Ultra. And I got this at Best Buy, rushed out as soon as it was available, rushed out, got it. Came up to about 79 Canadian with tax. And that's it. So let's get into this Chromecast with Google TV. All right. So let's see. Okay, on the front of the box, we have YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, Spotify, Crave, Google Photos, CBC, NHL, Global TV, NBA, and Disney Plus. Okay, on the next side here, it says, use voice remote to control the TV, search, and more. And on the back of the box, it says, simple setup, plug, connect, stream. I'm going to show you the interface later on in the video. So on the side of the box here, it says discover 4,000 TV episodes and movies and access your apps all in one place. Get recommendations and see where they're available to stream. Enjoy a crystal clear picture up to 4K and brighter colors with HDR. Okay, let's get into the unboxing now and see what's in this. Let's get all this plastic off. Let's get this out of here. All right, let's open it up. Okay, nice packaging. I like the way it's laid out. Let's see what this one is. This looks like the actual Chromecast. Let's open it up and see. It's a little tough to get out. It's in a little bag here. Yep, I think that's the HDMI. Yep, there it is. So this is the white version. They have a pink color and a light blue color. So here's the white version. I believe Best Buy only had the white one. All right, let's check out this other box here. I believe this is the remote. Let's check it out here. Nice packaging, by the way. I really like the way they set this up. All right, yep, so here it is. This is the new Chromecast with Google TV remote. It's very tiny. So let's see what we have here is a select button. It looks like that's the back button. Google Assistant. That's the home button. That's a mute. And you have a dedicated YouTube, Netflix. You have a power on button and a video input button. All right, let's see if there's any batteries. No batteries. It looks like it takes 2 AAAs. And here's the instruction manual. I don't think I need this. Let's put it to the side. And this looks like the plug and the USB cable. That's a little too tough. Let's just go to the cable. So here is USB-C with USB-A. Looks like a pretty quality cable here. Let's put that to the side. Let's try to get this plug out. All right, here it is. So this requires you to power the Chromecast with the wall plug. You can't plug it directly into the TV and get power. Also, it looks like there's Google branded batteries at the bottom of the box, 2 AAAs. It's very nice of them. All right, here it is. Here's everything that you get in the Chromecast with Google TV. Next up, I'm going to show you how it's connected to my 4K television. All right, we're back. we're at the interface now. I've done the setup. Everything is completed. It's a pretty long process. Probably takes about 5 to 10 minutes to set this up. You have to use your phone, and you have to have Google Home installed, and you have to have your Gmail account ready. All right, so what you see here is the Google Chrome with Google TV interface. And as you see at the top, they have For You, they have movies, shows, apps, and library. So under For You, it curates everything based on what streaming services you've chosen in the initial setup phase. So for instance, it's pulling recommendations from Disney Plus. It's pulling recommendations from Prime. And it's also pulling recommendations from Netflix. Those are the ones I chose to pull info from. So as you can see here, it kind of recommends movies that I like to watch here in the isolation chamber. And just as something of note, if you do not want these recommendations showing here and you just strictly want your apps, that's as simple as going all the way to the top, going down to settings, going to accounts and sign in, and then hit left again. All the way down, it's gonna say apps only mode. So when you click that, it switches, gives you a little notification, hit continue. Now I'm gonna hit the home button. And what you're gonna see now is apps only. Took away all recommendations, and that's all we have here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring back the recommendations. And it's simple as that. And now you see my recommendations have returned. So as you can see at the top, for the Canadian edition, it's missing live TV. That's something that the American Chromecast with Google TV has. The Canadian edition doesn't have that because we do not have YouTube TV here in Canada. So coming from the Fire Stick TV 4K, I can tell you that this interface is a lot nicer. It's quicker. For example, if I launch Bell TV on my Fire Stick, it would take upwards of 3 to 5 seconds to load. When I load Bell TV here on the Chromecast with Google TV, this is how fast it goes in. Pretty much right away. That's never happened on the Fire Stick. So that's a one plus that I like definitely with this new Google device. All right, well, that's it. If there's anything else you guys want to know, just leave questions down below in the comment. Subscribe if you like. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.